Hello everyone. Thank you for all your comments and your encouragement on my videos. If you like my channel, go ahead and hit the like button. If you like the content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified for any new content premieres, just hit the bell button. And also, if you would like, go ahead and check out my Patreon page. Go ahead and join my page. The link will be in the description. And while you're at it, I have a new intro with music. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. The music is my own, and so I'd just like to hear what you think. Alright, I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Well, good morning, evening, afternoon, everyone. Time for another food review video. This is going to be a little short one. It's not a taste test, a drink review. This time, Powerade Zero Sugar, orange flavor. Now, I drink the Powerade regular one sometimes, but lately I've been doing the zero sugar. So we're going to go ahead and get this taste test. And I have my little mug of ice here, since this is not cold. I'm going to taste it with ice and then without ice. Or without ice and with ice, whatever. Tastes like regular Powerade, just with no sugar in it. It's healthier for you. Let's see, no zero sugar, 0 calories. It does have great source of potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So it helps you build your electrolytes back up. And it's better than drinking a soft drink. And I haven't had a Coke, Dr. Pepper, soft drink, whatever kind of soft drink in over 2 months now. I know in some of these videos you've probably seen me drink one, but just for the record, some of those videos were shot like 4 months ago, and just haven't had time to really go ahead and edit them. And so for the Powerade Zero orange flavor, I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5 all day, just because the healthiness of it, the freshness, is good for your body. So, and thank you for watching. And I told you this was going to be a short one, but it's a good one. You know, I mean, I do like the Powerade. I also like Gatorade as well. It's hard to tell which one is better. They're both pretty much the same. So, there you have it. I'm going to have another one coming up with a Propel, the drink mix for electrolytes. Very good, and you know, I'll go ahead and review that one as well. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for all your comments. your subscription. Don't forget, check out my Patreon page. Link will be in the description. Go ahead and join. And I hope you enjoyed my new intro with the music. It's my own music. So, just tell me what you think about it in the comments. I'm just curious. Nothing special. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. You have a good one.